Hey guys, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you difference between HSRP, VRRP and GLBP. So let's start the video. First difference is vendor. HSRP is a Cisco Priority Protocol. It developed in 1994. VRRP is a industry standard based protocol. It developed by IEEE standard. GLBP is a Cisco Priority Protocol. It developed in 2005. Timer. In HSRP, hello timer is 3 seconds, hold on timer is 10 seconds. In VRRP, hello timer is 1 second and hold on timer is 3 seconds. It's faster than the HSRP. GLBP, same timer. In HSRP, hello timer is 3 seconds and hold on timer is 10 seconds by default. Third difference is load balancing. In HSRP, load balancing is not performed. In VRRP also load balancing is not performed, but in version 3 load balancing is performed. In GLBP load balancing is performed. Fourth difference is IPv6 support. HSRP support IPv6, but VRRP version 2 not support IPv6, version 3 support IPv6. GLBP support IPv6. 5 difference is working. HSRP work between same vendor, means Cisco routers, only same company routers HSRP work. But in VRRP work between multiple vendor, like one router Cisco router and other router is other company router, work VRRP. GLBP also same as HSRP, work on only same company vendor, means Cisco routers only. 6 difference is multicast. HSRP multicast IP in version 1 is 224.0.02 and version 2 multicast IP is 224.0.0.102. In VRRP multicast IP is 224.0.0.18. In GLBP multicast IP is 224.0.0.102. 7 difference is transport number. In HSRP transport number is 9085, VRRP transport number is 112, GLBP transport number is 3222. 8 difference is virtual MAC. In version 1 HSRP virtual MAC is this, and in version 2 HSRP virtual MAC is this. In VRRP virtual MAC is this. In GLBP virtual MAC is this. 9 difference is preemption. In HSRP preemption is disabled. In VRRP preemption is enabled. In GLBP preemption is disabled. 10th difference is group ID. In version 1 HSRP group ID we create 0 to 255. It means 256 group ID create in version 1. In version 2 we create 0 to 4095 group ID in version 2 HSRP. It means total 4096 group ID create in version 2. Group ID in VRRP we create 0 to 255. It means total 256 group ID create in VRRP. In GLBP 2 की power 10 is equal to 1024 group ID create in GLBP. 11 difference is election. In HSRP, if preemption is disabled, which router has the highest IP address make as a active router and other are the standby. In VRRP, those router interface IP address used as a virtual IP address make as a master router and other router are the backup. Also master router priority is 255 because preemption is enabled in VRRP. In GLBP same as election as a HSRP, if priority is same then the highest IP address make the active router and other router as the standby router. State. HSRP are 2 state, active state or standby state. VRRP are 2 state, master state, backup state. GLBP are 2 state, active state or standby state. So these are the difference between HSRP, VRRP and GLBP. So I hope guys you understand clearly what is the difference between HSRP, VRRP and GLBP. So guys, if you like this video, please like the video, and first time you visit this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.